That's not good. Hey guys, today we're going to be cleaning and possibly flash modding this iPod mini that I got for $20 along with this disgusting donut JBL speaker, and it actually sounds decent. So this iPod, it all works fine, except the battery seems kind of no good, so I might have to replace that. But if I just plug it in, it should come right back on. Because from what I tested, it seemed fully functional. So we'll be cleaning it and probably that speaker too. Okay, so now we're going to take it apart. I already took off this bottom part just to see, and it just pops right off. So now I'm going to take off the top bit of plastic. Wow, that's really tough to get off. So now there's two screws, one here and one there. So I gotta take those out. So I'll just grab the top of my screwdriver case and we can just put the screws in there. And if you want to buy anything that I use in my videos, you can check out the links in my description. There, I'll use this tiny flathead screwdriver that I have. Let's go for the corner. Yeah, I'm scared of this side, that little connector down there I don't want to break. There we go. It's off. So now it's time to get that little connector out. I think it just comes off like this. Not 100% sure. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna check. I just checked and it does come out like that, so I guess I just have to keep pushing. There we go. Now it's off. Except, looks like these have come desoldered. It did come unsoldered, so now click wheel doesn't work. Have it disconnected, but the iPod is turned on now. And I couldn't get it to turn off. Well, now it turned off, so it either died or something went wrong. So there's a little piece of something. Don't know what that is. Just put it there. And here's the battery and the tiny hard drive. Now this stupid hard drive is all taped on, which isn't the best thing. It's kind of annoying. So now, if I can I get this off? Yeah. What are we going to be upgrading this to? From 4 gigabytes, have to be something good and worthwhile. I think 256 megabytes. Yeah, right now this is the only compact flash card I have. So I want to see just if it'll even work with this before I do anything. Now let's see if we can get them reseated. Seems to be good to me. I had a closer look and some of the contacts are still bridged at the very bottom. I think it's good now. But yeah, good thing I opened this up because who knows, the click wheel could have just stopped working at some point from, who knows, getting dropped, and it could just crack that solder because it's really old. Yeah, the other side seems to be fine, so I won't do anything with it. But now I'm going to test this out on the iPod. for now, I'm just gonna put the original hard drive in, so it'll just boot right into the, I never thought about this, iPod operating system. Don't even know what you'd call it. Well, I know it has a name, but I just can't remember. I feel like this might be upside down. Or backwards, I mean. Yeah, that seems right. I'll plug it in now and see what happens. Wrong way. Well, that's not a good sign. I don't hear anything. Must have done something wrong. That's not good. You know my opinion? Don't open an iPod mini unless you have to. Oh, there's a piece of wire laying there. But yeah. I just took the connector off and realized that some of the traces had just been ripped off, probably when it got peeled up when I was unplugging it. So yeah. I might put it back together. Well, I probably will, but I won't be making another video about it unless I find a new click wheel or something. But they seem way too expensive. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.